Good afternoon, dear students. In our previous class, we had discussed about the food ingredients obtained from plants. We talked about the roots of certain plants which are also used as food, like radish, carrot. We also talked about underground stem of certain plants which store food, for example, ginger, potato, onion, and we also discussed about a plant called mustard, which can have two or more parts which can be used as food ingredient. Now today we are going to discuss about the different food items produced by plants. Now when we talk about the different food items, first we discuss which is one of the very important food item and which is used as a staple food in our day-to-day life. So what are cereals? We are going to discuss cereals. Cereals are edible grains which are obtained from cultivated grasses. Edible means that are cooked and then eaten. So cereals are used by us as staple food, that is we include them in our lunch as well as in our dinner, and they are rich in carbohydrates, mostly starch. Starch is a type of carbohydrate, and in addition to carbohydrates they also contain proteins, vitamins and minerals. So examples of cereals will be rice, wheat, maize, sorghum. Next we are going to discuss pulses. In Hindi we call pulses as dal. So pulses are the seeds of leguminous plants. They are important source of protein. So examples of pulses will be gram, peas, pigeon pea, soya bean, lentil, beans, green gram, etc. So when we talk about cereals and pulses, we say cereals are more rich in carbohydrates, whereas pulses are a very rich source of proteins. Proteins are needed for our growth and development of our body as well as the development of our muscles. Similarly, next food item which we obtain from plants is the vegetable. Vegetables are the plant parts which can be root, stems, leaves and fruits that are used as food. So root vegetables includes carrot, radish, sweet potato, which we have discussed earlier also. Leafy vegetables like spinach, lettuce, fenugreek, which is also called methi in Hindi. Then we have stem vegetables like potato, ginger, onion, etc. Then we have herbage vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, etc. and fruit vegetables like cucumber, pumpkin, tomato, lady's finger. Then next food item which we are going to discuss, which we obtain from plants, are fruits. So we can say fruits are a type of ripened ovaries of flowers. They are rich in vitamins and minerals as well as sugars. They are a very rich source of vitamin, mineral and sugars. They do not contain, or they contain very less amount of carbohydrate and do not have protein. So, and they are a rich source of vitamins, minerals and sugars. Some citrus fruits like lemon or orange are rich in a vitamin called vitamin C. They are a rich source of vitamin C. Now when we discuss about it, we'll be discuss the next food item, oil seeds. So what are oil seeds? We can say oil seeds are the seeds of many plants which are used to extract oil from them. Now oils are energy foods. We use oils for cooking different kinds of food. For example, mustard, sunflower, coconut, groundnut, soya bean. In market we have mustard oil, sunflower oil also, coconut oil also, groundnut oil, soya bean oil, etc. And these are extracted from the seeds of certain plants. For example, mustard oil is extracted from the seeds of mustard. Similarly, the next food item is sugar. It also contains certain parts of some plants which are rich in sugar. Sugar is a carbohydrate, like stem of sugarcane plants contains sucrose, a very important sugar. Now crystals of sugar are obtained. How they are obtained? They are obtained in the factories from concentrated sugar cane juice. Roots of beet are also rich in sugar. Roots of beet are very rich in sugar. Tea and coffee, leaves of tea and seeds of coffee and cocoa contain caffeine, which acts as a stimulant. It energizes us and refreshes our mind. Therefore, it acts as a stimulant. And we have a question also, why tea and coffee are said to be refreshing drinks? Because they act as stimulant, as they contain caffeine. Spices are the parts of plants which are used to add taste or flavor to raw cooked food. Example, pepper, which we called kali mirch, cardamom, elaichi, ginger, adrak, turmeric, haldi, cloves, long, cumin, zira, etc. Thank you for listening to me.